Accept it.
What are those?
24 females.
24.
One guy.
A for apple.
One male. And then
A
eight.
for apple.
Eight
for
kids.
baba.
Four girls.
A is for apple.
Ayan na. Ayan ang final requirement.
Okay.
Okay, ano na ako?
Isang male.
For Napo.
24 babae na pangsalaras. Kids. Apat na babae, apat na lalaki. Yan ang requirement.
You're adorable. You're adorable.
Kids, boys.
Four girls.
Four
Four
G,
boys.
four boys.
Four G, four.
So I have 2 girls, 2 boys already.
And therefore, you have to make a table of this. You have to call her if you already have like a candidate for this. Okay. Or just fulfill this. 24 females, 1 male, and then 4 boys. Para pagdating sa 13, alam na natin kung kumpleto. If not, kasagalan na kayo.
Okay. Well, what's the attire?
Tsaka na yun. Tsaka pag-usapin yun. We'll just first talk about the thing.
Hindi kasi pag nag-recruit tayo, they'll ask for the attire.
Yeah.
Mamaya, aatras sila dahil lang sa attire na yan.
Kaya dapat may meeting ka agad.
Dapat tayo mag-require ng yung long gown. Kasi yung mga teenager, they're not gonna wear. They'll probably wear mga cocktail dress lang nila.
Dress, yeah.
Mga dress.
Yung parang
Veronica.
Formal dress.
What? Yung prom dress.
Formal cocktail.
My prom dress.
Yung mga teenagers.
What is a prom dress?
Ginagamit.
My prom dress is already.
Remember, our objective is this will be like a Filipino festival, really a Filipino tradition, so what's the use if they're not going to do that? So therefore, you have to think also, for example, if you're going to recruit me, oh, you're going to be Tagalog, what will I do? How will you persuade them? Do we have already like a solution to that? Oh, we already have a renting shop, we will go there. You should already know how to recruit them. It should sound like it's so easy for me to become a Tagala. It's not my problem. It's your problem.
No big problem. It's a big problem.
Because that's it. If you want Tagalas, you should make it easy for them.
I know, but yung damit nila, it's gonna be hard.
Could have
If we will require like a
shop that would rent
talaga.
Rent.
I know, maybe
In Holy Family in Glendale, they rent. They rent from a quinceañera shop or something. Yeah, there's something like that.
Quinceañera Filipino style?
No, some Mexicans, they rent the quinceañera gown.
They do?
They do. They have something in LA.
Like princess, like a
Yeah, like a princess.
No,
Do you know shops like that here around us?
Mm-hmm.
Because that's my point. I mean, does that make sense? Since we are already time constrained, we should make it easy for them to become Tagalog.
We need to ask the baron.
Unless we really can find a place that will really rent out.
I'm praying over it.
Kailangan maghanap ng...
So that's the mission of the Sagala
I
committee.
didn't touch
That's
it.
the mission of everybody to find Tagalas. If you find Tagalas, let's raise law.
Ang inaano ni Father yung...
Yeah, find Tagala, but my point is, yes, I already got you a Tagala, but how will you help me with my costume?
We'll be responsible
We're
for
the warehouse.
apples and the flowers and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But we need, and we're also stopping who are we stopping to carry the articles?
8th graders boys.
No, what Father
Let's go
Family
one thing first. Let's go with the Tagalas first.
Nawawala ang family.
No, it's one of that because before,
talaga.
ang family ng Tagalas ang responsible supposedly for the articles
Yeah.
and to carry the articles themselves.
Mhm.
But the last year nga daw, dinadrop lang ang mga kids nila and they left, so there's nobody was holding the That's why I'm trying to contact the 8th graders boys.
Okay, that's good.
So they will hold it. Kasi kung wala tayong plan B, who will hold it?
True.
Tayo pa rin na mag-hold. Tayong mag-hold.
Plus, can you refer what I'm saying again? if you're going to recruit sa galas, what do you tell the parents to help them?
We
We
will-
don't have a gown.
We
Things like
will
that.
need to get
For example, if they ask the
business
question,
card of those people that has barong in Amar and Azusa, give it to them. This is the shop that
Like
rents
seafood market.
Or
down.
instead of a business card,
Six
just have a
na
sheet of
sila sa
paper
may
with a
iba.
listing of the different stores.
right.
Maybe that's
Are you
that's
writing
the
that
answer.
down?
Ano yun?
So that when you visit this prospect sa galas, you're going to give them
Shop is nearby.
That's it. Because I remember recruiting some girl stuff.
O, Jumay, magsasagala ka, okay?
Oh, you want to get the gala? Oh, we don't have a dress up. Oh, here are the shops. Oh, okay, Papa.
Can you email me or text me the place you're referring to? I'll go get the address and
The dress?
the address.
Address?
La dirección.
Direksyon. Direksyon.
And I'll Google it in the computer.
Oh,
I'll
isla.
Google it right now.
Okay, yes.
Where in
Okay, so put it there. So Ate Senny will be in charge of the addresses of the shop.
Okay, yes. Okay. We're done with the...
When will you email that to them so that they can print that and they will search for the
Like in a few
recruit?
minutes right now. Do it right now.
Like in 2 minutes right now.
Okay. Yung outer servers, given na po kasi sabi ni Father, according to Father Mike, it's like a regular mass. The regular outer servers.
You don't have to problem to be concerned of that because.
There was a time already.
But if you like, okay, you have choices, you have your suggestions. So we'll
No, we're fine with what, because it's a regular mass.
Para less na.
Why, we don't want to make it more difficult because we have a lot, if we have to concern
Other
with
stuff.
stuff, then...
Well, the least outer service that would come and serve will be about 4.
Okay.
So that's okay already.
Then, Father, you're talking to Jerry about the lectures.
May naka-assign na yun.
There's already there. That's why my question is that you mentioned in there 2 names.
yeah.
Okay, are these your choices
Yes.
or okay?
That's the choice.
Also, so I'm going to talk to Jerry if he can make a switch for that.
Father, I want to ask with you when.
What is tomorrow? Wednesday. I'll make the email tonight. Okay. Probably I can receive
Thursday?
Thursday the reply of Jerry.
Google. Who's coordinating with the Knights of Cologne shop?
The Knights of
That's
Columbus.
correct. You should have people in charge.
Who's coordinating with the Knights of
The next
Cologne?
time that we...
Adrian.
What? How's our band?
Who's coordinating
Our band?
with the Knights of Cologne?
Out of band.
How's the band? Ask Blue.
No, you convinced her. No, I already told her to tell me. So, how's the band?
Okay, contact her. You have it also already?
Yeah, go, call.
Hindi magawa sa akin yan.
Tomorrow I'll tell you.
Right. We have a band.
You tell them how much.
How much? Kuya Greg, the statue of the Blessed Mother is all set up and everything. Sino po yung mga alalay sa mga nagbibigay ng flowers?
Pwede naman
We have a countdown.
Ayan, siguro every year gawin mo na lang siguro mag-set ka na talaga ng araw na itong araw na to. Para ba isang minsanan ng trabaho o 2 araw na okay pala, kalahati na kalahati yung paggawa ng arko.
You know there is skating in the Philippines now. The arcos are becoming like a cake. They're doing the payo.
Other shop here.
Oh, let's go tayo!
They decorate the payo in a different style. For example, they have Reina Flores. The payo is full of flowers. For example, it's Reina Caridad is full of hearts. Because caridad is love.
Oh, that's it. Bigyan ko na lang.
It's easier and it's creative.
$5.
That's how you know. See?
So the Reina de las Espadas. So it's full of
I don't think that. How will you? Your creativity. In the airport, you'll be the one doing the.
Dapat na, kasi kung may ano.
Pinagkariribukan ni kana Flores de Mayo and Santa Cruzan 2012. Pulong pali kana Eden. Three priests in St. John the Baptist are all here.
No, you. Sayang yung mga arko.
Ang meron lang is konti ay
I-stream lang na lang natin yung mga kapanig para alam natin sino
ang may arko yung ivory urine.
Si Reyna Elena lang ang nakakita.